I want to start today's update with some fantastic news. We're focusing here with this news on Fort Erie. In the last 7 days, 16 properties were sold, which shows a positive trend even before the Bank of Canada's October announcement. It's exciting to see sales on the rise across the Niagara region, though it's not consistent in every marketplace. By the way, thanks for tuning in this week. If you are new to this channel, my name is Scarlett. I'm a local real estate agent here in Niagara. I live specifically in Fort Erie, and each week I do short videos. I keep you informed about the real estate market. If you live in this area, it's great to stay on top of the updates and know what's happening in your marketplace. And if you're considering moving here, you should definitely subscribe. I really appreciate your support on my channel. So let's dive in. Each week, I take a look at the numbers and I analyze them across the Niagara region so that I can keep my sellers informed and help my buyers make educated decisions. It's all about getting the best results, whether you are buying or selling. Let's take a quick look at a side-by-side comparison of last week's numbers and this week's numbers. Now, if you're a seller and you're not getting buyers through your door, it might be time to reevaluate your price because properties are clearly starting to sell. 16, in fact, this past 7 days. I know it's easy to blame the agent, but after years of being in business, I can tell you that selling a home involves 3 key players. Number 1, the market. Number 2, the seller. And number 3, the agent. Let's break that down. First, the market. The market is driven by 3 major factors: the economy, interest rates, and competition. Across Canada, including Ontario and the Niagara region, we've seen shifts caused by rising interest rates, changes in the economy, and even increased competition, which happened a few years back, you might recall. Right now in Fort Erie, we're experiencing high inventory, for example, and this is making it more challenging for sellers. Buyers are watching those mortgage rates closely before they make their move. This impacts sales clearly. Next key player is the seller. As a seller, you focus your needs on presenting the property well, setting attractive sales terms, and pricing your home competitively. In areas like Fort Erie, where inventory is high, sellers play a crucial role. It's important to listen to your agent and adjust to the market by responding to what the feedback is on your price. Finally, the agent. As a real estate agent, it's my job to market your property effectively, negotiate the best terms, and manage the transaction until closing. A good agent is going to develop a customized marketing plan in order to achieve your goals, negotiate an offer, and offer a smooth closing. Sellers, I hope this helps. The selling process can be challenging and we cannot control the market, but we can respond to it. Sellers, the price that you set for your home is the biggest piece of marketing an agent has. Sellers need a marketing plan that is on point. You need to be using the most effective marketing plan in today's market. Not all marketing is effective for every home. You need to know the difference. Now let's take a look at the numbers from the end of September. I'll show you just a few quick graphs that we get from ITSO that highlight what's been happening during the month of September over that last 30 days. As of the end of September, the month's supply of inventory continues to rise. You can see from this graph, while sales have actually decreased, especially in Fort Erie, where we saw a significant drop. We were hoping for a little more activity after that last rate announcement in September, but based on the past week's number, we might just start to see that shift happening by the end of October, and I'm going to keep you posted on that. Now, days on market are also increasing, which makes sense given the rising inventory. The more homes that are on the market, the longer it takes to sell them. This is why pricing is so critical for sellers. Listen to your agent's advice. I will say it again, pricing is the most important aspect of marketing, and it's all in the seller's control. Well, that's it for this week. I won't be hosting an open house this weekend. I'm going to take advantage of this last weekend out on the lake. Have a great weekend, everyone. As always, if you have any specific questions about our market here in Niagara and Fort Erie, if you're thinking about moving to Fort Erie, you're thinking of selling, I'm here to help. Just reach out. Have a great weekend.